Going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. So I haven't uploaded a video for a while, but I am back and I will be uploading daily content once again. So today I'm just going to look at XDC for you, and I'm just going to break down the current price action on the 4H time frame. So we've been in a downtrend for a long period of time, and it's been the same thing all around on any crypto pair that you look at. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this current bit of market structure that we have here and just break this down for you quickly. So if we are to look at this, we've had this bit of an uptrend. So let's skip my tool. So we've had this bit of an uptrend here. Now I'm not going to use this as a trend line. I'm just using it so you can visually see I've had this uptrend. We've been putting in higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then we've got to this top, and basically we've created multiple rejections from this area, once, twice, massive wick into it 3 times, 4 times taps into that area, and and then from this point onwards we've started to get a downtrend basically from this point here. So what I'm interested in to see then is where we're going to go from this current price action. But just so you can see things more clearly, I'm just going to break down the structure from the beginning of the downtrend to where we are currently. So what I'm looking at here, after we've made this 4th and final attempt at trying to push up and break a new high, is this structure here. So we had this 4H momentum coming in. We had this strong 4H candle here, which broke and closed below this candle body low, which I have marked out there. You can see we've had that break and close below, and then we've had that continuation. So then of course this is the lower low, lower high, and then we've been putting in low lows, lower highs. So we've had this current pullback here. Now if you are to look that on the lower time frames, this will be a low low, lower high, low low, lower high, lower low, and you'll probably see a double bottom there on the 1 hour time frame. And then we've had this strong push up, bullish push up there. You can see all the candles, all green, all bullish candles. So what I'm going to do now is just jump down onto the 1H time frame, just break this down a little bit more clearer for you. So these are the lower lows, lower highs that I was talking about, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then we had that double bottom there, as you can see. Okay, so we never broke and closed below the structural lower low here. We pushed into this area and we bounced out, and then we started breaking out of structure. So I'll just mark this area here. So this is like your second sign. You see, when these reversal happens, you will get the double bottoms a lot. Price fails to break lower, and then you start pushing up towards these areas of resistance like so here, and then eventually we had that strong 4H candle, 1H candle, sorry, pushing into this area, and then the next candle broke, closed below and above, and then we had that bullish continuation then. But what I'm seeing now is, again, same as here, we've had this double top in and around this area, so we've pushed into this area. First indication of the reversal in trend is this break of the higher low here. So we had that break, and then price pushed back up into this higher high that we'd formed, and then we had that big wick rejection, and then we've had that bearish momentum stepping back in, and this is your second sign of a reversal in the trend. And then again, we're just taking out major areas of support with strong momentum coming into these areas and breaking through, and then we've had that continuation. So from this point onwards, I will be looking for some sell continuations back into these areas of support here at 0025. Whether we'll get a pullback, whether we'll just get the straight continuation down, who knows, but we'll see over time. But I hope you understand how I'm breaking these charts down. If we just look back, let me just go. This was like a bit of a downtrend, and of course it did go from a bit higher up, but just quickly to show you visually, that was like a downtrend, and then then price reversed from this double bottom. Then you've had this uptrend like so. It's not perfect, I'm just doing it so you can visually see, like so, and then again, this is our new formed downtrend now. So you've got to understand that this is the way price moves and works, you know. And on the higher time frame perspectives, you know, you got to understand that you have a push phase and then an exhaustion phase. Push phase, and then this can be your exhaustion phase in the market. So you can still have a bearish market, but then have a bullish exhaustion phase, because price can't move in one direction at all times. You know, you will get pullbacks, you might get strong pullbacks, but then get the continuations. It's just the way that the markets work, you know. These things can take a little while to get your head around, but, you know, eventually, the more you do it, the more you analyse the charts, the more you backtest, you'll start to understand. So I really hope you enjoyed that little bit of information and content that I've got for you there. In fact, I'll just delete this. It's unnecessary, you don't need to see. But what I am looking for now is to get these continuations back down to these lows, and then who knows, you know, we might start pushing further down, you know, start targeting these lower levels of support that you can see there. Now, I'm not going to go too far back, because you never know what's going to happen. You know, you might predict, oh yeah, price is going to hit this at whatever time, and I just like to look at the here and now and what's going to be coming in the next days, weeks, and really that's basically it. I don't want to analyse too far, because things can change overnight. You never know what's going to happen. You never know what news is going to be released. It's all, you know, sometimes very fundamentally dependent on what's going to happen. It's not just basically on simple price action trading. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty bearish on XDC at the minute. You know, it's not the news that everyone wants to hear, but, you know, this is the way that the markets are. You know, things don't move upwards forever. So yeah, better opportunities to buy in my eyes. So yeah, hope you have enjoyed this content. I will be uploading more content for you again daily, not just XDC, but other pairs. I have just created a Forex channel for similar things, analysis, JCFX. I will drop it in the description below just for you to access that if you're into Forex as well. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, everyone. Really appreciate you watching. If you've got any cryptos that you want me to analyse, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Take care, and I will see you all in the next video. Cheers, everyone. Bye bye.